Hey everybody, Saliv here, doing a real quick update. A lot of stuff's changed since last week, and unfortunately it's mostly minor changes, so I can't really go over them all in this video. However, I would like to show off the new credits page. Last week I had the sound test going, and the sound test was really only designed to show the music of the game. And since I have a lot more assets in this game than just music files, I figured I should make a proper credits page. So this is what I've come up with for that. It dynamically loads all of these based off of this dictionary right here. And adds all the credit information from this to this form. So when we look at this, it adds the nickname over here, and it adds, who created it, what it is, what the license is, and the web address that you can find it at, and any notes that I might happen to have. Which is probably more important in the case of the music than the other stuff, because I have made minor changes to the songs. For ease of life purposes, like normalizing the sound. Also, the web link button works so that you can go to see the actual page that it's on. This is not really necessary, but it sounded like something that some people are gonna want, so I included it. It's not that hard. In my game engine. My game engine, it looks like this. And this complicated mess right here is only so I can grab it out of the dictionary that I'm using. Otherwise, I could just put it as a regular string. But that involved having several... It had a really complicated switch command, so I decided to just change it to this. Other than that, the cursor, you can actually see what I have selected now, which is kind of nice. I didn't know how to do that last week. I figured something out. I'd prefer it smoothly animate, but this is what we've got. So, well, I guess I'll just have to appreciate that. It's better than just having to know where you are. Additionally, the songs can be played. Oh, that was interesting. Huh. Looks like I've got a bug I gotta work out. Well, that'll be fun. It appears that the spacebar has selected web link since I clicked on it. And that's gonna make it just automatically select it. Well, that's fun. Anyway, normally by pressing the spacebar I could turn it on and off and swap songs. However, this is also the command for accepting user interface inputs. And since web link is currently selected, and I don't know a way to unselect it, I don't know how well that's going to work out. Let's find out. Okay. Well, I guess that's something I need to change. Huh. Okay. So I'm adding that to my list of things that need done. Additionally, I've got this little area over here that's going to be displaying what assets I'm using. Currently, it's displaying the player ship. I don't really have any of the other ones loaded in yet, and I'm going to be swapping through them as you swap through this. This spot here is blank because in my dictionary up at the top, I left it blank because I don't know what meteor I'm going to be using quite yet. Yeah. So there's that. This is basically the way the cursor's working. I'm just turning it on and off like this. Okay. Well, I guess I will talk to you next week.